It's John and the Irish, and it's a 411, and we are using foam rollers. Now we're going to be speeding this up. We're going to be doing the lower limb. We're going to be doing calves. We're going to be doing anterior, tibialis anterior. We're going to be doing hamstrings, ITB, quadricep. We're even trying to get into the groin and the glute. This is going to be done on super duper fast mode. Irish, let's get into it. Calf. Chin. Okay. Hamstring. Hamstring. YTB. Oh, this feels so good. Quad. Good. And that is how you foam roller your lower limb. Thank you, Irish. It's John for the 411. See you next time.